Did you know that thousands of people are successfully dropshipping on Facebook Marketplace without ever getting banned? Let's uncover their secrets. In this video, you'll learn how to dropship on Facebook Marketplace in 2024 while avoiding common pitfalls that lead to bans. So whether you're a newbie or you've been around the block a few times, stick around and let's dive into this. Alright, let's get real for a moment. Many new dropshippers face suspension or banning due to violations of Facebook's policies. It's like trying to walk a tightrope blindfolded. You might think you're doing everything right, but one wrong move, and boom, your account is suspended. Knowing these risks is crucial for success in this game. Facebook has some pretty strict guidelines that can catch you off guard if you're not paying attention. Imagine putting in all that effort to set up your store, only to have it yanked away because of a policy violation. It's frustrating, right? So, understanding what those violations are and how to navigate around them can save you a ton of headaches and potential losses. Now, let's explore the essential guidelines, best practices, and strategies to find reliable suppliers and products that comply with Facebook's rules. First off, always make sure you're sourcing products from reputable suppliers. This means checking their ratings and reviews, and ensuring they have a solid return policy. You don't want to sell a product that's going to arrive late or damaged. That's just asking for trouble. Next, familiarize yourself with Facebook's policies. This means reading through their community standards and commerce policies like they're the latest bestseller. Trust me, it'll pay off. Also, consider using dropshipping platforms that integrate well with Facebook Marketplace. They often have built-in compliance features that help keep you in the clear. And lastly, be cautious about your communication with customers. Keep it professional and timely. If you're responding late or not at all, it'll reflect poorly on you and could lead to negative feedback. Now, here comes the key moment. The secret to thriving on Facebook Marketplace lies in mastering the platform's algorithms and understanding what triggers account restrictions. It's all about playing the game smartly. For starters, keep your listings clean and clear. Use high-quality images and descriptive titles that accurately reflect the products. Misleading information is a surefire way to get flagged. And don't forget about engagement. Encourage your customers to leave reviews and interact with your posts. Facebook loves engagement, and the more active your listings are, the better your chances of getting promoted in their algorithm. Remember, it's not just about selling, it's about building a reputation and a community around your brand. And if you ever receive a warning, take it seriously. Address any issues immediately and make the necessary changes to avoid further problems. To summarize, by following these strategies and adhering to Facebook's policies, you can build a successful dropshipping business without facing bans. It may take some time and effort to get it right, but it's definitely worth it in the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos for more tips on online selling. Your support means a lot, and I can't wait to share more insights with you. Happy dropshipping!